Okay, we're going to make a simple circuit. The first step is to measure how much tape you need. That's about 14 centimeters. 6 centimeters. 5 centimeters. 4 centimeters. And 3 centimeters. Okay, now we have to add all of those up. So we have 14 centimeters, 6 centimeters, 5, 4, 3. 14 and 6 is 20. 5 and 4 is 9, so there's 29. And 3 more, that's going to give me 32 centimeters. And then we're going to add 10. The extra 10 is for our corners and to tape our bulb down. Now I'm going to get 42 centimeters of copper tape. There's 30 and 12 is 42. And now I'm ready to start putting my copper tape down on my circuit. To start, I'm going to grab the tape near the end, and I'm going to slowly peel that off away from the paper, and just use a little bit to get it started. Get that lined up with my line. I'm just going to peel and stick as I go, making sure to try to keep it nice and straight. And I'm going to stop at my first corner without peeling past it. Now at my first corner, I'm going to fold away from the direction I want to go so that the tape is upside down. I'll trim that off so it's a little easier to see. And then I'm going to fold back over the top. Now the tape is going the right direction, and you can see that the corner is nice and folded and not cut. So now I'm going to hold this on the sides and pull the paper out from underneath, and then just press that down. And again, just pull and stick till my next corner. Remember, you do not want to cut at your corners. You want this little fold there, like that. So now I'm needing to go this way, so I'm going to fold away. Like that. Hold it down and fold it back over the top so that it's going the correct direction. And now I'm going to line that up a little bit better. Crease it. Now I'm going to hold the sides of the copper tape and pull the paper out from underneath. And gently press that down as I go. And now I'm going to get to where my LED bulb is, and I'm going to cut. Remember, it says to leave a gap between the pieces of foil. So I'm going to take my piece of foil again, get it started by grabbing the end, rubbing towards the foil, and leaving that gap. Make sure it's lined up. I'm going to carefully pull and stick. Fold my last corner away from and then over the top. I'm going to move my paper so it's easier for me. Press that down. And right into the middle of the battery area and cut. Okay. Now my wiring is all done, and now I have to work on the bulb. Remember, there's a long and a short on the bulb. The long one is the positive, the short one is the negative. So I'm going to take a Sharpie and just mark the positive leg so that it's a darker color than the negative leg. I'm going to grab close to the base of the bulb where the wire and the plastic meet and pull that over flat, and then I'm going to do the same with the other side. You want those to be so that your bulb can sit flat. Alright, now I'm going to make sure that I have my positive leg, which is colored, touching the positive side of my circuit. And it's going to go in there right like that. I'm going to take my extra pieces of tape and cut one piece about that long, peel it off, and carefully holding everything down in place, making sure that my bulb is bridging that gap. And then I'm going to rub that down nicely so that it sticks really good. And do the other side. One more little piece. Peel it off. And make sure it's stuck down really good. Now remember, we're going to pretend that there's a fold line going across our paper there, so that we're going to now fold this so that this circle touches that circle. And we can put a crease in there just like that. To test it, we're going to put the negative side of our battery on the negative side of our circuit. Then we're going to fold and touch the positive side to the positive. It looks like we've got a successful circuit. That's how you make your simple circuit.